The 2026 Toyota Minivan arrives as a versatile and family-focused vehicle designed to combine comfort, space, and innovation in a sleek package. Toyota has carefully reimagined the minivan for modern lifestyles, ensuring that it provides the practicality families need while also adding style and advanced technology to make every journey enjoyable. With a bold exterior and refined details, it stands out from traditional designs and appeals to those who want function with a touch of sophistication. The exterior styling features a wide, confident grille paired with sharp LED headlights and a smooth aerodynamic body shape that improves efficiency and gives the minivan a dynamic presence. Sliding side doors add to its practicality, while large windows ensure great visibility for all passengers. The rear is finished with sleek taillights and a sculpted tailgate that reinforces its modern design. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Minivan offers multiple powertrain choices, including a traditional gasoline engine and an efficient hybrid option. The hybrid delivers impressive fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for families who spend a lot of time on the road. Power delivery is smooth, and with available all-wheel drive, the vehicle provides extra confidence in varying weather conditions. Inside, the cabin is designed with maximum comfort and usability in mind. Premium materials and soft-touch finishes give it a welcoming feel, while the 3-row layout ensures enough space for up to 8 passengers. Seats are designed to be supportive on long drives, and the second and third rows can be adjusted or folded to create a flexible cargo area. This makes it easy to switch between carrying people and transporting larger items. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 Toyota Minivan. A large touchscreen infotainment system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with available navigation and advanced voice controls. Passengers can enjoy multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and optional rear entertainment screens for long journeys. The digital instrument cluster provides drivers with clear information at a glance, while higher trims bring premium audio and enhanced connectivity features. Safety is another strong point, with Toyota Safety Sense included as standard. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help protect passengers in every situation. The 2026 Toyota Minivan is built to make family travel easier, safer, and more enjoyable, combining Toyota's reliability with modern convenience. For more detailed reviews and the latest updates, remember to subscribe. You are watching Will Explorer, your trusted destination for in-depth automotive insights and features.